हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू आवर हेल्थ शो स्टे फिट। स्टे फिट में एक से बढ़कर एक हियरिंग एड्स मिल रहे हैं। इसके अलावा हम जानेंगे आंवला खाने के फायदे और भुजंगासन करने का सही तरीका हमारे इस एपिसोड में। तो आइए चलिए मेरे साथ स्टे फिट में। आज भारत में हियरिंग एड्स की मांग बहुत बढ़ गई है और यहाँ बेहद उन्नत किस्म के हियरिंग एड्स मिल रहे हैं। हियरिंग एड यानी वो मशीन जो सुनने में सहायता करती हो। आज भारतीय बाजार में उन्नत किस्म के हियरिंग एड्स उपलब्ध हैं। ये मशीनें बहुत छोटी हैं और इन्हें ईयर कैनाल मशीन्स भी कहते हैं। ये कान में पूरी तरह समा जाती हैं। गए वो दिन हियरिंग एड्स बहुत बड़े होते थे और इसके अलावा वो बिल्कुल आरामदायक, लेकिन अब स्थिति पूरी तरह बदल गई है। अब वायरलेस हियरिंग एड्स भी आने लगे हैं जो मोबाइल पर बात करने, टीवी देखने और ऑडिटोरियम में बातें सुनने के लिए बेहद उपयोगी हैं और उन लोगों के लिए ये सब बहुत आसान कर दिया है जिन्हें सुनाई कम देता है। टेक्नोलॉजी में हुए सुधार और भारत में सीनियर सिटीजन्स की संख्या में हो रही वृद्धि ने हियरिंग एड्स की बिक्री में भारी बढ़ोतरी की है। आज भारत में विश्व के ब्रांड के हियरिंग एड्स उपलब्ध हैं। इस क्षेत्र के लोग ये भी मान रहे हैं कि जल्द ही ऐसे हियरिंग एड्स आएंगे जो नेचुरल हियरिंग के बहुत करीब होंगे। आइए चलते हैं हियरिंग एड विशेषज्ञ के पास और जानते हैं हियरिंग एड और सुनने की समस्याओं के बारे में विस्तार से।
Digital technology means we now had a microchip inside the hearing aid, a small chip 3 millimeters by 2 millimeters in which we could put 1 million transistors in 1996. Today we can put 30 million transistors into a small chip. So the processing power and the memory inside the chip has increased maybe 1,000-fold since the time that the first digital hearing aid was made. With this technology now we can fit the hearing aid exactly as per the patient's hearing loss. So we can give very accurate compensation for the hearing loss. We can also set what is known as the uncomfortable level inside the hearing aid. So the hearing aid is never uncomfortable. No matter how loud the sound is, the sound will never be uncomfortable inside the patient's ear. We have the capability with this technology to enhance speech and reduce noise, which means we can improve the signal to noise ratio and we can get a much clearer understanding and intelligibility of speech. पुराने ज़माने में क्या कहते थे? सुनाई देता है but समझ नहीं आता. This was the perception we had to change. People believed that a hearing aid only made noise. But today, the satisfaction level which we can give to a patient is very high. Even after we had made a very good hearing aid, we were still having difficulty in understanding the speech signal from a television screen. They were having difficulty in understanding speech on a mobile phone. They were having difficulty in understanding speech inside an auditorium. These solutions have been provided by the latest technology which is called wireless. The wireless features are now built into the hearing aid and the sound from a television set will go directly into the patient's hearing aid so he can understand the speech very, very clearly. Similarly, if he is having difficulty with a mobile phone, today you switch on the mobile phone, the signal from an iPhone. In fact, there is today a technology, a tie-up with a company called GNB Sound. They have made a tie-up with Apple. If you have an Apple phone, you switch it on, the sound from this will go directly into the hearing aid. Which means there will be no disturbance from outside noise, and all the sounds will be heard very, very clearly. If you're in an auditorium, very difficult environment for a hearing impaired person, because there's a lot of resonance in the room, there's a lot of noise, and the speaker is maybe 100 feet away. You can't hear very well. But with wireless technology now, the signal from the patient, from the speaker, can be brought directly into the patient's hearing aids, and he will be able to hear very well. We have something called a completely in the canal hearing aid. This is a very small hearing aid which goes into the ear canal and is invisible to the outside users. So this is the ultimate in what is called miniaturization. Invisible inside the canal, IIC. These are very, very small hearing aids which go deep inside the ear canal. Cost will by and large be the same because you're paying for the technology. We can put the same microchip into this which we have in this. But this might have a limitation on the fitting range. This may not be as powerful as this hearing aid. Depending upon the power requirement of the patient, we will select the type of aid which will be best suitable for the patient. Performance of a hearing aid is totally dependent upon the power of the computer today. As computers are becoming more miniaturized, they're becoming more powerful, the memory chip is becoming smaller, the signal processing capability of the hearing aid is going to keep improving. The ultimate is that this hearing aid should be able to mimic the function, the natural function of the organ of Corti, which is the organ hearing inside the ear. It is the cochlea which causes hearing loss, sensory neural hearing loss. And this is a very complex function, and this being replicated with software inside the computer. And as the computer becomes more powerful, the closer we are going to come towards natural hearing.